Is it worth anything? Today, we're talking about sets of dishes, china. And before any of you asked, yes, I have a black eye. I had a fall a couple weeks ago. Until this video is up, it'll be all healed by then, so don't worry about it. All right, so for those of you who asked me about selling sets of dishes, selling sets of china, I want to tell you this is the time of year to do that. Now, it doesn't mean you're going to get a lot of money, because it really doesn't matter what type of dishes you're selling. Most of them don't bring too much money. But what you want to do is get them into a consignment shop or maybe sell them on Marketplace, because someone who's hosting holidays for the first time this year is going to be looking to have a nice set of dishes. So we're talking about sets of dishes that have the platter, the gravy boats, serving bowls, all of that. So get it all out and then sort it. So the first thing is anything that's got chips, stains, it's cracked, toss it. Nobody wants your broken dishes. So if the finish on them is glazed, it's all crackled, forget it. Nobody wants that. They have to be in good condition. So it doesn't matter if, say, you had a 12 or 16 place settings to begin with. It matters with what you have now, because plates and things break over years. So you want to make sure that you have 8 or 10 or 12 of the plates, of the dessert plates, of the bowls, whatever it is that you're going to sell. And of course, all the platters, the gravy boats. Don't put just the creamer if the sugar bowl is broken. You know, just put what you have, put a nice set together. So you want to wash it all up, make it all nice and clean before you take it to the consignment shop. But this is the time of year to sell that. Now, also, if you have one of those boxes of, not the sterling silver, but silver plate or just stainless steel silverware that comes in a nice case, because a lot of you got those for wedding gifts way back when, this is also the time to sell those, because again, people are looking to buy things for when they're entertaining. So, are you going to get a lot of money for these things? Probably not, but if you want to sell them, this is the time of year to sell them. So good luck with that. If you would like to learn more about what items in your home might fall into the category of antiques and collectibles and possibly be worth money, check out my book, Beginner's Guide to Antiques and Collectibles. It's available on Amazon.com for $24.95.